आज हम लिखेंगे A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, Z तक लिखेंगे। ये है हमारे आज के कलर्स। क्या है बच्चों? ये है हमारे आज के कलर। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? ये है ऑरेंज कलर। ऑरेंज कलर। कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? ये है वायलेट कलर। वायलेट कलर। ये कौन सा कलर है? ये है ब्लू कलर। ब्लू कलर। और ये कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? ये है येलो कलर। येलो कलर। ये है ग्रीन कलर। A for apple. A for apple. B for balloon. B for balloon. C for cow. C for cow. D for doll. D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. Yeah, orange color. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jackal. J for jackal. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nurse. Violet color. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.